Hello, friends. Welcome to Leadership Gems for Women, Chapter 8, Be Passionate. You know, very successful women who achieve great things have passion. Because you cannot attain something excellent if you're not passionate about it. Because passion will drive energy. Passion gives you that energy and you'll work far more diligently and harder at something when you're passionate and excited about it than you will if you're not. Passion gives you the energy to work long beyond the point where you're saying, I'm tired. Passion will give you the ability to increase your influence and your leadership with others. Because we want to learn from those who are passionate about what they're doing because they care about it. And it means they will be excellent. They will go the extra step or the extra mile, the extra 2 miles. When you're passionate about something, you're enjoying what you're doing. It's not work. You don't count the cost the same way. Now, the thing about passion, 3 things about passion actually. Passion produces energy. We already talked about you'll work far longer and harder when you're passionate about something. You know, this is the entrepreneur who's passionate about her business and she'll work at it well beyond the 40-hour work week. It becomes an 80-hour or 100-hour work week, and she doesn't care because she's ready to make it happen. She's got that energy and that drive and excitement. Passion inspires others. You know, when we see someone who is passionate about what they're doing and why they're doing it, it makes a difference. And it's inspiring to us. We see that example. So when you're passionate about something, it's inspirational. And you know, the 3rd thing about passion is it unleashes your potential. Because you may have potential in something that you're not passionate about. But if you're not passionate about it, you never will reach that level of excellence because you won't work hard at it. Passion unleashes your potential in a whole new way because it takes you from just being average to going the extra inch. As Vince Lombardi said, inches make the champion. So take the time to find something that you're passionate about doing because that's what helps us increase our influence and leadership with others. Until next time.